Okay, let's do this for today in the Philippines. Everyone needs love. When you talk, do not say harmful things, but say what people need. Words that will help others become stronger. Then what you say will do good to those who listen to you. Ephesians 4:29. This world is filled with heartache and pain so heavy that sometimes like life can seem overwhelming. So when you are given the opportunity to make someone's day a little brighter, do it. It may be as simple as a small compliment, pat on the back, or just a warm smile. Mm, Imagine when you have the opportunity to brighten someone's day. That's gold. I mean, if you're always staying at home and you don't meet people or don't see people, how can you fulfill the mission? I mean, there's one thing that you don't want to go to church, but another thing is you don't want to go out and just smile to the world. Smiling is a ministry all by itself. When you love Jesus, you can just help but smile. Yes, even though at dark days you can experience God's gift of joy. That's true. True. As a Christian, you can always have a bad day, but it is God who let you see through that bad day. There's always something good in it. No, I know you can't understand that, but if there's something good in something in a bad day, there's always something good. You just don't see it the way I see it. Start with your family in your own home and keep spreading God's joy throughout your day to all those you meet. And don't just select the people you think need a lift. Many who outwardly seem to have it all together can inwardly be suffering with the same insecurities that most people face. The seemingly most confident person still needs affirmation and encouragement. They may be bravely and boldly going through their day, not letting anyone know they are hurting, so they are often overlooked when it comes to appreciation and reassurance. Bottom line, don't overlook anyone. Give honest affirmation when an opportunity exists because everyone needs to feel love. It's as necessary as breathing. Everybody needs love, even me. You just wish people, you wish that people would not be bad or don't have envy in their heart. When I'm in a place, sometimes I'm in a place where I can see that people have envy, pride. They have evil in their heart because you can hear them through their words. They're talking bad things over other people when they're not around. People steal. You know, people probably because they were hurt. That's why they're so resistive to kindness. Let's just pray always, my dear friends, because we all need love. Do not forget, the first thing you will should do is what? Make our words always a blessing to others, regardless. No chismis, no backbiting, those things. God doesn't like that, my dear friends.